We are following some breaking news out of Washington, D.C., where the Trump administration just extended work permits for hundreds of thousands of immigrants from Haiti, Syria, and other countries just hours before they were set to expire. 11 Alive's Angelina Salcido joining us live in the newsroom tonight. Angelina, what does this latest development mean here?
Well, this has been a fast-moving story all day. Jennifer, protesters came together at the Georgia State Capitol earlier this evening after a recent Supreme Court decision cleared the way for the Trump administration to move forward with ending temporary protected status, or TPS. But late tonight, USCIS announced that TPS beneficiaries from several countries will keep their status and work authorization for now under a federal court order while legal challenges continue.
Hands up, TPS! Hands up, TPS!
Chants echo throughout the state capitol Friday night as immigrant advocates rally in support of temporary protected status, or TPS, for immigrants.
We're out here protesting the removal of TPS protections for immigrants of the Haitian communities, Syrian communities, all kinds of refugees and immigrant communities that are under attack.
TPS is a humanitarian program that allows eligible people who are already living in the U.S. to temporarily live and work here if their home country is experiencing things like war, natural disasters, or other extraordinary conditions.
Prior to the decision, lower courts could have the ability to stop DHS from ending temporary protected status.
Immigration attorney Jameen Christian says a recent Supreme Court decision gave the Department of Homeland Security the authority to move forward with ending TPS rather than leaving that decision to lower courts.
So now the Supreme Court said, no, that authority is solely vested in the Department of Homeland Security.
But late Friday, USCIS announced TPS beneficiaries from Haiti, Syria, Somalia, Burma, Ethiopia, Yemen, and South Sudan will keep their status and employment authorization for now under a federal court order, while the legal cases continue through the courts.
There are still avenues for people who did have TPS.
And again, the biggest update tonight is that TPS holders from those 7 countries that I mentioned will keep their status and their work authorization for now. While these federal court cases do continue, attorneys say that as this remains an active legal battle, so they are encouraging people to watch for further guidance from USCIS. We're in the newsroom tonight. Angelina Salcido, 11 Alive News.
All right, Angelina, thank you.